A manager who takes the blame when things go wrong, or the manager who gives you credit when things go right? Who would you pick? Welcome to Saturday Storytime, where we discuss real workplace stories and the lessons that it has left behind. I once had a manager who always felt like a bodyguard. He was always there to defend me when things went wrong. कोई भी escalation हो, कोई भी leadership question हो, he was always there to answer it. I felt safe, I felt comfortable, I felt protected. So I stopped worrying about my visibility altogether. Why would I worry about my visibility? My manager was there ना, उन्होंने सब handle किया हुआ था. And in my cocoon, feeling protected, feeling blessed to have such a great manager, 2 साल बीत गए and after 2 years someone got promoted who joined after me. I was genuinely upset. I was half expecting that my such a great manager would fight for me, would fight for my promotion like he always had. I asked him why and he simply replied, the leadership doesn't know your work well like they know his. That is when I realized that all this great work that I had been doing all this long was never credited to me. My name never left the room. No one ever recognized that I had done some brilliant stuff. And मैंने भी तो अपनी visibility completely ignore कर दी. देखो, a manager who shields you, who protects you from blame, he will give you comfort. But the manager who pushes your name into the room, who pushes your name forward when things go right, he will give you the career. By then, I had spent years being protected by my manager, but I never had my name pushed forward for the great work that I was doing. And I didn't even notice it. I didn't even notice it because I felt so comfortable in that safety. It is only years later that you will realize that safety without visibility is just like a comfortable ceiling. You will be comfortable, you will not get wet in rain, but also people will never see you standing in the sun. तो अगर आपका मैनेजर आपको बहुत सेफ्टी दे रहा है ना, which is fabulous, he's getting you the peace, make sure you also get the visibility because that is what will get you growth. Thank you so much and don't forget to follow for more workplace and leadership talks.